Okay, so I think I found a good spot for this text where I'm going to insert it. This is in one of the flashbacks here, early in this part. Yeah, goes to the concession stand, then they go outside. So, yeah. So right after this part, I think would be a good place to plug that in. So let's go ahead and grab that. This is our text I was working on yesterday. And you notice I type everything in just Notepad because it's faster to voice type into Notepad than anywhere else. So I'm just going to copy that, bring that over here. I usually leave a little space in case I want to change anything. It's putting some spaces in here, so let me clean this up a little bit. Select suddenly, italicize, page down, press enter, press delete, press enter, press delete, backspace, page down, backspace, 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 backspace. This is coming from the movie, so just to be safe, I'm going to put this in quotes. Quote that. Quote that. Press delete. Select that. Italicize. Backspace. Press delete. Press delete. Okay, that should do it for that bit.